Hello friends, this is a crochet solid granny square pattern. In this pattern I am using worsted yarn and one 4 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First making one slip knot, and make 5 foundation chains, count as a first DC and 2 chain, and make 1 double crochet in the 5th chain from your hook, and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. And then repeat 2 chain and make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 2 chain, repeat 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Two chain and make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. And this is the very first DC stitch. Here you join it with slip stitch. You make 4 corner. This is 1, 2 corner, 3rd corner, 4th corner. You make the square, and after that you here join it with slip stitch and start from this space, very first space, and make 1 single crochet or slip stitch and make 2 more chain, count as a first DC stitch, and make 1 more double crochet or DC stitch in the same space, and make 2 chain and make 2 more double crochet in the same space. And then you go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. You make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then this is the next space. Here you make 2 DC, two chain, 2 more DC in the same space. Here I have increased my stitches. Total stitches are 7, in this round, and previous round I have 3 stitches in one side, and in this round I have 7 DC stitch in one side. And then repeat the same pattern. You go to the very first stitch and make 1 DC. Go to the next, make 1 more DC, the next stitch, and then the space portion here you make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC. You repeat the same stitch, same pattern in this round. Then here you join it with slip stitch. For third round I have total stitches are 7 in every side, and here I have attached the slip stitch in the previous round. So start from the space, so go to the space with slip stitch, and make 1, 2, 3 chain, count as a first DC, and make 1 more DC in the same space, total 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC in the same space. And I have total 7 stitches, so start from the very first stitch and make double crochet. Make 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. And this is the space portion. Here you make 2 DC, 2 chain, and 2 more DC. And repeat 7 DC, the next 7 stitches. This is the space. Make 2 DC, 2 chain, and 2 more DC. You repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my square, the same size square, this one. And if you want to make the big square, then you continue the stitches, you increases the stitches in every row, every round, and you can make the big size or small size as per your wish. And this is very simple and easy pattern of the solid granny square, and you can try it. Thanks for watching.